Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY, and today we are working on how to upgrade the navigation system in your Chevy or your GMC truck. So stick with me and I'm going to show you how easy it really is. Okay, now this is a 2020 GMC Sierra. It is a Denali, but it comes with a navigation system. Now when you buy your truck, it will come with the navigation system and all the maps are all updated. Well, up to this point, I've been paying for OnStar and all the Wi-Fi and everything to keep my truck like it was the day it was brand new. And it's been working great, but now that it's in the 5th year, the maps are just not up to snuff, and they're not basically it's missing a lot of the new roads. And I recently moved from Utah to Tennessee, and let me tell you, there's a whole bunch of new roads here in Tennessee. As I'm trying to navigate this new city, I'm just missing them. So I'm using my phone navigation, and I got tired of that. So going back to the whole OnStar thing, I thought it was just, you know, like a computer system. You just upload the new one and boom, bang, boom, you got the new maps and all that goes. It doesn't work that way. In these cars or in these trucks, the navigation system actually runs off of an SD card. Now, you can purchase a GMC actual OEM updated card. But when you do that, it is $500. They want to charge me $503 to upgrade the map system. I'm going to show you a hack that actually saved me $500. And so how do I do that? Well, I got on Amazon and I found an updated SD card. I am going to leave the link in the description down below on exactly which card I got, and I'm going to show you how easy it really is. Okay, so one of the things that I could not figure out at first, I mean, I didn't look that hard, but I didn't know where to find the SD card. So I thought that it was going to be somewhere up here and, you know, by the actual navigation system itself. It turns out it's actually in the center console, and mine is located right here. So you just push down on it, pull it out, and that's what it looks like. It says that it's maps for North America, and it shows that it's an SD1, and it goes with the car one, not SD2. So there's two different kinds of SD cards. This one is compatible with the SD1. It also shows that it's a GM OEM, and so the one that I'm buying, or that I bought, is an aftermarket. So I'm going to show you that and how easy it is to plug it in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just in a little Ziploc bag here. It says it's the navigation SD card, the version, and it gives some part number. Now the part numbers are not exactly the same as what's on the SD card, but this one on Amazon, even though it was made in China, it says it's going to work for this model of truck. So if it's a 2017 to 2023 GMC Denali, it's supposed to work with that. Now, what's nice about this is if it doesn't work, it's free returns. So we're going to plug it in. We're going to see if it works. Okay, so when you open up the package, that's what the SD card looks like. It still shows map of North America. So as you can see, it's the exact same size of SD card that we need. Now, these are the instructions, but what it's telling me is basically what we do first is this is the 2024 navigation SD card, uses road data from 2023. So this is because creating and delivering the cards takes time. Most navigation SD cards are typically 6 to 12 months behind the latest updates. This is at least going to bring this 3 years newer, 3 to 4 years newer than what this truck actually is. So when the navigation card is first used, it is linked to the vehicle's VIN identification number, ensuring it can only be used in that specific car. This safeguards the data security and accuracy while preventing unauthorized use in other vehicles. Okay, so first what we do is we remove the old one. Now we're going to insert the new one. So we did remove the old one. Okay, so now we're just going to insert the new one. There it goes, fits right in. Okay, so the new one is in place. Then it says power on. So we'll go ahead and start the truck. We first turn this on. Now we're going to go to the navigation center. SD card message. Once initialized, this SD card can only be used for navigation in this vehicle. So I'm going to hit confirm. It's optimizing, and boom, just like that, it automatically came up. So that's pretty simple. So now if I want to put in Walmart, so we're going to hit Walmart. It's searching the results. That is actually the closest one. 6.1 miles, 15 minutes, bingo bango. So far, that is how easy it is. Okay, you guys, that was one of the most simple things I think I've ever done, and I was just stressing about it. That card was only $34.99 on Amazon, and so far it's working just fine. I'm gonna try it for the next couple days, we'll see, but that was as easy as it could possibly be, and that just saved me $465. $465 just to get an aftermarket on Amazon, and it worked flawlessly. So you guys, I hope this helps you just save a ton of money. It just saved me a ton of money. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this, make sure you hit that like button. It really does help my channel out a lot. And also share this with other people. If you've got a navigation system in your car, there is absolutely zero reason to spend hundreds of dollars when you can just get on Amazon and get an aftermarket. Works just as well. Plus, always remember that Amazon, it's free returns too. So if it didn't work, just send it back. You're out nothing. So like I said, if you did like this, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the other tips and tricks that I have for your do-it-yourself stuff. Anyway, like I said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.